After a 4-hour drive, we made it to Tamarindo. 1 block from the beach. Here's the hotel. Let's go check in, go to the beach, go for a beachfront or surf, 1 to 2, maybe both. It's 3 o'clock. We got like 3-4 hours of sunlight left. Let's enjoy the relaxation after all the hiking, rainforest, all that good. Here we go, folks. Nice little kitchen, couch, TV. Oh, bed's already, I can feel it. Oh, so much better than the other beds. And then this is the best part. Here we go. Nice little deck. Oh, this is a heat. Got the pool right there. And the beach is right there. Stoked! Okay, y'all. Went for a run on the beach, but it's high tides, and it's not like California beaches, Florida beaches, where you have a bunch of sand. So I couldn't actually do on the beach. I was on the street. But I did find an outdoor gym. Got some pull-ups, push-ups, dips, all the good. Did 2.5 miles, 2/4, something like that total. Now it's 5 o'clock, sunset the next hour. Let's go to the beach. Let's drone this city. Let's go watch the sunset, baby. Let's get it. P.S. Did not shower because I'm jumping straight in the ocean. Gotta feel it. Warm or cold, I'm dripping sweat. I'm hot. It's gonna feel great. But first, I stumbled on the city center. Look how beautiful this place is. Look at these flowers. Getting myself a smoothie. I am dripping sweat. I'm so hot. No protein though. But look at this place. So beautiful. If you like scenic, you like coffee, this is the place for you. Bien. That's hitting the spot. Ooh, look how beautiful this stuff is, folks. Alright, now we have the beach, folks. High tide, which sucks. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be surfing the whole day. Got that on camera. Tuesday morning, everybody. Look at this view, rooftop deck for breakfast. We've got fruit and yogurt. Got a tea with what a mug. Look at that. Today is beach surfing day. Waves right now 1 to 2. It's low tide. It's really not good waves. I'm gonna go sit there. Got my books. Got my podcast. Got holiday time. Nothing to do today besides sit at the beach, relax. What I want to do. So let's enjoy. Let's see if I can get some drone videos of myself at the beach. Obviously, I'm here by myself, so I don't want to give my drone to somebody. Maybe I can put a GoPro on the surfboard. We'll find out. But let's enjoy. Relax. Tan. Rainforest, super fun. Volcano, super fun. Now, what I wanted to do is have my trip with relaxation and chill. That's what I get to do. Let's go. I'm looking bronze, great in the sun. Found a beach restaurant. Now we kick it, enjoy the view, get some food. See if I can get the drone video going out like this while eating. It'd be sick. The tide's starting to come back in. So in the afternoon, time to surf. Okay, y'all, surfing 2 hours, ocean is so warm, 82 degrees, felt so good, rash guard on, got out there. I haven't surfed in probably a year, maybe 2 years, it's been a while. I got pummeled, I got billed by the waves, I caught some, I had a good time, one with nature. Now I'm at an Italian restaurant, you see that? Open fire, wood fire pizza, cannot wait, great vibes here. I am starving, just watched the sunset, it was beautiful. Time to feast, let's get it. Of course, can't forget. Got the Kindle Martian, 63% of the way done. We'll probably be done tonight. I'm on my GoPro, so let's go. One bite, everybody knows the rules. You know, for just coming out of the fire, really not that warm. Doughy, good barbecue taste. Peppers, pineapple, chicken, of course. I'll give it like a 6.5. Let's enjoy. Everybody, it's Wednesday, about 12:30 p.m. Low tide. On the beach 2 hours ago, 95 degrees out. I brewed a smoothie. You know what? I'm gonna treat myself with and it smells like chocolate. Sick. It was a great morning. Pizza last night was delicious, open fire. Today I'm gonna get a massage. $30, 1 hour massage on the beach. So eat some food, relax, breathe. I finished the Martian, great book. Last 4 days in paradise before I drive back to San Jose. Surfed yesterday, was great. Waves here aren't rolling, it's more of a crash. Drank a lot of water and I went to do that. But I got on some waves, so it was good to get out there and be one with nature. Now let's enjoy this. Let's take a bite of a cookie really quick. Good crunch, chocolatey, doughy, I like it. Papaya smoothie. Very fresh. Let's enjoy it. Massage was amazing. 70 minutes on the beach, $40, so worth it. Now, beach cafe, got the ocean right there, Mediterranean bowl. Relax, eat, and of course, finished The Martian really good. I'm on a new book called Plum Island. From like 20, 30 years ago, New York Times bestseller. I'm enjoying it, 5 chapters in. Let's enjoy it. Thursday morning, y'all, just did an outdoor workout at the beach. That way, jumped in the water, it's amazing. Last day in paradise here in Costa Rica. I have a 4 to 5 hour drive back to San Jose, so getting some food. It's about 10:30, 10:40 a.m. before I take that drive, and then my flight is tomorrow around 8:30 a.m. This trip has been everything I wanted and more. Adventures, Monteverde, La Fortuna, beach hangout right here, surfing, all the drone videos, the GoPro videos, the people I met. The locals are so nice. Pura Vida, this whole economy around tourism, and they treat us so well. We treat them back really well. Everything has been amazing from the tour guides, all the local cuisine, food, everything. If you get a chance to come to Costa Rica, highly, highly recommend it. I came here for adventure, check. Came here for a personal time to just celebrate my graduation, check. Came here for my soul, to make sure I'm ready to go for when I start Nebraska, check, check, check. This trip has been everything I needed and more. I will be coming back to Costa Rica. I've only saw a fraction of what I want to do. There's so much more I learned, more surfing, everything in between. So folks, if you're part of Costa Rica tourism, go ahead and pay me to come back because these videos have been epic. Follow me on Randy Silver TV. Thank you for watching. Costa Rica, Randy Silver, we did it right.